So if you lose a desktop icon or the shortcut path breaks and you can't get to it, you can sometimes do it in this start menu. So say you find one you want to, you bring it up and you just put it to the desktop like that. I can't do it with this one because the path's broken, even from here. Power ISO. So you can do the same, you can bring it up and link to it, but it won't work on this one. So I've got to go into C drive. It's going to be one of these two files. Not in that one. Power ISO. You can uninstall it from here as well if you want, but I'm just going to right click on Power ISO exe file, create shortcut, and to desktop. I'll just make sure it works. Yeah, it's working now.